What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, another week is in the books, meaning we got another chance to get in our bag and do what we do. And I just want to say major salute to everybody that did their thing on the week. Major salute to everybody in Discord. And even a double major salute to the money team for knocking our plays out the park this particular week. Please make sure you join us for this upcoming week so we can continue to build on the journey, okay? That's what it comes down to. That's what it's all about. Anyway, guys, today I want to get you all prepared for next week. We got our huge catalyst with the CPI report coming out on Tuesday, so that can always invalidate technical analysis and things we try to teach and show you guys on a daily. However, regardless of that, it's going to create opportunity. That's the one beautiful thing about volatility. It creates opportunity, and as for those of us that like to trade and make money on the side separate from our investments, this gives us the chance to do that. So Tuesday will be a big day, but I want to get you off to the start on Monday with making some money, okay? So class is in session. Take some notes if you happen to see this. Use this as early as Monday to begin knocking plays out the park next time you see this on a chart. Remember this quick nugget, guys. The market does the same patterns over and over again. You want to start catching them and then begin to put them in your photographic memory, so when you see them, you remember the teachings and you apply the strategy so that you can make money consistently, okay? I made $13,000 using what I'm about to show you guys today. I want you guys to replicate that and do the same when you see this next week. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, I got the 15-minute chart pulled up here. Always make note of what time frame I'm teaching and operating from. I have a system that allows you to consistently be successful. We master every time frame so that we know our levels. We know the strategy we will apply. In this particular case, I'm teaching today off the 15-minute. Please take your eyes to this quick lesson right here. Look at this line I'm drawing. That is a 200-day moving average, okay? And this is support. And look at how you had this bounce off of this on this occasion. I'm going somewhere with this, so please follow me, all right? You had these two tweezer bottoms bounce off of this support level, and then the stock began to take off and go super high, okay? Now, check this out. Over here, look at this level 408, all right? That's still the 200-day support level, all right? 200 EMA. But right here it is resistance, okay? On different time frames based on where the stock price is at, it could either serve as support or resistance. Here, it bounced off. Here, you guys can see we're coming up. Even today, we couldn't get above 408.93 to close out today, as you see the 200-day again. And I'm gonna just write that down so you guys know what this black line represents. That's the 200-day. All right. Sometimes support becomes resistance, and sometimes resistance becomes support. All right. So I want you guys to make note of that. All right. But what I also want you to make note of is, check this out. Here we had a gap fill. This is a gap right here, and all gaps will be filled, okay? And so you guys, one strategy you might want to try is my gap fill strategy, okay? I teach people how to become gap fill traders. So on this particular day, the market closed here and it opened here, but it opened up here, and this is a 414 level on the SPY, okay? That was the high that it got for the day. And then look, guys, it just proceeded to come down, but it doesn't just come down anywhere. It comes down to close the gap, okay? You guys always got to see what's going on, all right? It comes down to close the gap. So now that that gap fill is closed, now look at where the stock falls to. Boom. Look at this big red candle. It went right to the 200 EMA. Once again, okay? That was serving as support. It will be support until that level is broken, okay? And then shortly it pushed through a couple times until it ultimately fell down and fell through. All right. Now I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, because some things I want to teach you guys on today is this, okay? Here's the money making opportunities in this. Now watch this. The two indicators I have is the 13 EMA and the 48 EMA, okay? and that is your blue line and your purple line. Okay, that's these two lines. Watch what happens when they cross. Right here, the purple line crossed the blue line, and as you see, we had that gap up to 414. All right, but then guys, look at this. Look at what happened once this purple line crossed the blue line. Not only did you guys have this bear flag emerge, but do you see how the stock began to go down? Look at this line that I'm drawing going down, down, down. All right. And so when that cross happens, whether to the upside or downside, you are going to get a pretty explosive move. However, your job is to start taking advantage of this. Now, this is where the money is made. Okay. Check this out, guys, and follow this closely. All right. When this rejection, this green candle right here, was unable to break back above, do you see what came? So this told me, boom, we couldn't get back through. We not headed back to 414. Matter of fact, we're stuck down here below 412. Then this candle came, then this candle came. So I always try. I see that this 13 EMA was now a level that this wasn't going to get back through. Look at how it rolled this line the entire time. Okay, and so right here, guys, you would get in on a put. Okay, you bought your put right here. This is your entry, and then you proceed to ride this all the way down. Okay, until it makes your stop loss will be right here. Okay, when it tried to punch through that line again. All right, then once you saw it failed, you can re-enter right here at this level and ride it back down. All right, now I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit for you. I want to zoom in now to show you. Look at what we have going on here. All right, you have 408.93, and we're coming to this level. So on Monday, guys, what you need to see happen is us get to and through 408.93. Okay, I'll go back to the chart real quick. Check this level out. It will serve as resistance. So we need to get back to and through and above that level to get back to 410, 412, and then eventually 415. All right. However, if we don't, then guys, we got 405 waiting for us as support, as well as the 400 level. Okay, so that will determine and be your range for time being, or for the foreseeable future, until one of those levels or that range is broken. Okay, but the money making opportunity, guys, was on riding that down. The 13 EMA took you all the way down, and not one point in time did the candles break through or punch through that level once the 13 crossed over to 48. In that particular example, that was an easy ride down, just to let the play go, have a couple runners in there just to see how far it go down, and then when you see profit, take profit. Listen, in the future, two things. Make sure you take advantage of that, but you have to first have your chart set up the right way so that you even know the direction in which you need to be playing your particular plays. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys the 48 special very, very soon. Okay, this play or this style, I helped you guys make a ton of money off of it when I told you it was going to bounce off 408. But that's the strategy you guys can do. You don't need any crosses. You don't need anything to happen. You just need to recognize when something is serving as a support and when a particular stock is bouncing off certain price levels. Okay, guys, there's so many ways to make money in this market. You just have to make sure that you are in tune and locked in, and more importantly, that you're tapped in. So make sure, if you haven't got with me for one-on-one coaching, if you haven't took my options coaching class, if you haven't joined the Discord, you need to be doing something to make sure you're taking your game to the next level, but also getting the support you need to make sure that the areas you need help with and you need assistance with, you are getting exactly what you need. Remember, I talk about the importance of running your own race. It's what somebody else need might not be what you need. Therefore, you have to get what it is you need for you. Okay. With that being said, guys, I want to tell you guys again, phenomenal job this week. Your lessons that you will learn from your losses are meant to be applied on future trades. Okay, and then those of you that won, you want to do what you did and more of it, to continue to replicate your success. Okay, I'm looking forward to us making some more money this particular week. I just wanted to show you guys a quick way that I made around $13,000 this week off over the course of 2 days off of just the trend going to the downside and seeing prices unable to regain levels that they previously had reached. Okay, this is possible, guys. Simplify the game, try to make it less complicated as possible. We call this easy money for a reason, not because it's necessarily easy, but when you have a system, when you have a strategy, you can go to it time and time again. We're not guessing, we're not gambling, we're surgical around here, guys. One shot, one kill. Listen, man, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, and very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.